Good morning students, this is your English teacher Mohammad Zulfikar Ali. Welcome you all in today's class. Today I am going to take a class on transformation of contextual type. Dear students, in previous classes you have learned sentence type transformation of affirmative to negative and assertive to interrogative. I think all of you have learned it well. Let me ask some question from the previous lesson. Okay, students, so look, number one, he went outside only with his back. You have to make it negative. Who can make it? Who can make it negative? He went outside only with his back. You, okay, thank you. He went outside only with his back. That means he went outside nothing but with his back, because you know that if it is a thing you have to use nothing but instead of only. Okay. Then number two, he helped the poor. Interrogative. Okay. Who can make this one? You. Okay, thank you. He helped the poor. Interrogative, as it is the past indefinite tense. So what will be this one? You have to use didn't he. Didn't he help the poor? Okay, good. Next one, every mother loves her child. Who can tell this one? Okay, thank you. That means, you know, as there is every, you have to use there is no ... but. These structure you have to use. Okay. In that case, you have to use, you have to write, there is no mother but loves her child. Okay. Then next one, nobody likes a liar. You have to make it interrogative. So you know, as this is the negative form. That is why you have to use who. Then who likes a liar? Okay. Who likes a liar? Okay. Then next one, all must do their duty. All must do their duty. You have to make it negative. As you know the rules. Okay, who can this one? Must. Instead of must, what will you have to use? Cannot but. Very good. Then answer will be all cannot but. Instead of must, it will be cannot but. All cannot but do their duty. Okay, thank you. I think all of you understood this well. So now I will discuss transformation of contextual. That means that all the question will be in the same context. Okay. Okay, students, look, these are the contextual exercises. Okay. So look, number one, by reading books we can enrich our minds. You have to make it negative. Okay. You know that if you want to make it negative and if the question is by, then gerund, then you have to use without, then gerund you have to use. Okay. By reading books we can enrich our mind. Without reading books, then you have to make it the negative form. We cannot enrich our mind. Everyone write down this one. By, then you have to write down without. Without reading books. Okay, write down everyone. All of you write down this one. Write down in your copy. Then you have to write down we cannot. We cannot enrich our mind. Enrich our minds. Okay. Without reading books, we cannot enrich our minds. Next one, books contain noble thoughts of great men. Okay. You have to make it interrogative. Okay. Interrogative, as you know, this one is present indefinite tense. That is how you have to use don't. And why you are using don't? Negative form you have to make, because this one is affirmative sentence. Okay. So short form you are using don't. Don't books contain noble thoughts of great men. Okay, this one. Don't books contain noble thoughts of great men. Okay. Next one, some books give us immense pleasure. Passive. You have to make it passive. So you know you have to first you have to find out object. So here we get object us and immense pleasure. So anyone you can take. So it will be better if you take us. So what is the subjective form of us? We. Okay. Then write down we. Okay. This is a present indefinite tense. That is why you have to use are. We are. We are. Then this verb. Past participle of give is given. We are given. We are given. Then the another object you have to write down this immense pleasure. Immense pleasure. Okay. Then you have to take by some books. This subject you have to take by some books. Okay. That we are given immense pleasure by some books. Okay. Don't you know about e-books? You have to make it assertive. So what will be the answer? This one you have to avoid, this one you have to omit. You know about e-books. Just you know about e-books. Okay. Don't you know about e-books? The answer will be you know about e-books. Okay. Then we should cultivate the habit of reading books. Look. We should cultivate the habit of reading books. You have to make it imperative. So you know this one, when it is we should, if you want to make it imperative, you have to say let us. If it is I should, you have to use let me. If it is they should, you have to write down let them. Okay. So write down this one, we should, then let us. Let us. This let us you have to write down. Let us, then the rest part, cultivate the habit of reading books. Let us cultivate the habit of reading books. Okay. So again I am explaining this one. Look, by reading books we can enrich our minds. Negative you have to make. Without reading books we cannot enrich our minds. Books contain noble thoughts of great men. You have to make it interrogative. Don't books, as it is present indefinite tense, don't books contain noble thoughts of great men. Okay. Some books give us immense pleasure. You have to make it passive. Okay. As you have to make it passive, look, we are given immense pleasure. We made us subject, that is we are, as it is present indefinite tense, that is why you have to use are. After we have to use are, that is why we are given immense pleasure. Another object we have to take here, immense pleasure by some books. Okay. Then don't you know about e-books? Assertive. Okay. You know about e-books. We should cultivate the habit of reading books. You have to make it imperative. So as you have to make it imperative, you know these rules. I have discussed this one. As it is we should, we have to use let us. Okay. Let us, then the rest part. Let us cultivate the habit of reading books. Okay, students. Then we will go for another exercise. Okay, students. Another exercise. Look. Iron is a very useful metal. You have to make it exclamatory. Okay. So you know the rules that if there is a or an in the sentence, you have to start with what. But if there is no a or an, in that case you have to start with how. So as you are seeing there is a, you have to start with what. Okay. Iron is a very useful metal. What a useful metal iron is. Write down, everyone, write down in your copy. Write down what are useful metal iron is. Then exclamation marks you have to give. Okay, what are useful metal iron is. Then B, it is used for construction purpose. You have to make it active. Okay, you are seeing that as you have to make, there is no subject here, there is no agent here. So who construct, who use it, there is not written here. Okay, in that case, if you see that there is no subject or no agent, you have to take a subject according to the context. Okay, it is used for construction purpose, that means we use, people use it, isn't it? You can use people or we, both are correct. Okay, we can do we use it for the rest part. Okay, for construction purpose, okay, it is used for construction purpose, then you have to make it active. We use it for construction purpose. Okay, then see, Bangladesh imports iron, you have to make it interrogative. Okay, and you are saying this is the affirmative sentence, that is a negative form you have to take. Bangladesh, and as it is present indefinite tense and third person singular number, that is why you have to use doesn't, that means short form you have to, doesn't Bangladesh import iron. Doesn't Bangladesh import. Some student write imports, it will be wrong. Okay, don't write s or es. Okay, don't add is. So you have to write down import, only import. Doesn't Bangladesh import. Why? Because you have used doesn't. Doesn't Bangladesh import iron? Then you have to give question mark. Okay, doesn't Bangladesh import iron? It is a heavy metal, then you have to make it negative. Okay, so you have to make it what is the opposite of heavy? Light. So it is not a light metal, it is not a light metal. Okay, it is not a light metal. Okay, the last one, look, there is no building without iron. There is no building without iron. Then you can write down every building has iron or every building is with iron. Okay, both are correct. Write down every building is with iron. Okay, every building is with iron or every building has iron, both are correct. So okay, let me explain it again. Iron is a very useful metal, exclamatory. Look at the board, everyone. As there is the A, you have to start with what. Okay, what a useful metal iron is. Then it is used for construction purpose, you have to make it active. As there is no subject here, you have to take a subject, and that subject you have to take according to the context of the sentence. So we, you can also write down people, we use it, and as it is present indefinite tense, that is why we have to, we use it for construction purpose. Okay, then another one, Bangladesh imports iron, you have to make it interrogative. So doesn't, you are using negative form, because if you see there is a, this sentence is affirmative form, you have to take a negative form here. Okay, doesn't Bangladesh import iron. Then it is a heavy metal, you have to make it negative. You know, if you want to make negative, in some cases you have to take the opposite word of that adjective. So what is the opposite word? Heavy. Light, that is what, it is not a light metal. Okay, then there is no building without iron, affirmative. So you have to make it affirmative, where there won't be any no, not, never. Okay, so but meaning will be the same. Look, there is no building without iron. Every building is with iron. Okay, I think all of you understood this one. Now we will go for another exercise, number 3. Okay, okay students, number 3, honesty is a great virtue. Interrogative, you have to make it interrogative. Okay, so look at this one, as this is the affirmative sentence, isn't it? So, and you know that if you want to make it interrogative sentence, you have to take the auxiliary verb first, then you have to take first. Okay, then you have to take a not. Why? Because this is affirmative sentence. Okay, then mean is not. What is the short form of is not? Isn't honesty a great virtue? Okay, write down everyone, write down in your copy. It will be isn't honesty a great virtue? Okay, then everybody likes an honest man. You have to make it negative. You know rules. If there is everybody, if you want to make it negative, okay, in that case you have to use there is no ... but this structure. So everybody likes an honest man. There is nobody but likes an honest man. Okay, write down. There is nobody, okay, but likes an honest man. Okay, there is nobody but likes an honest man. Okay, then no other virtue is as great as honesty. You have to make it affirmative. Okay, so in that case, you know that if it is superlative, if you want to make it negative, then in that case you have to need no other. So if you make it opposite, then in that case you have to make it superlative. So honesty is the greatest virtue. You have to write down, honesty is the greatest virtue. Write down, honesty is the greatest virtue. Okay, honesty is the greatest virtue. Then we should always be honest. Imperative, we should always be honest. So as it is we should, then we have to use let us. You know, if there is a I should, then in that case you have to let me. If there is they should, you have to write down let them. Okay, as we should, we have to use let us. Let us always be honest. Let us always be honest. Okay, an honest man is very happy! Exclamatory. So as there is no a or an, so in that case you have to use how at first. Okay, you have to start that sentence with how. So how happy an honest man is. Okay, write down, how happy an honest man is, then exclamation mark. Okay, how happy an honest man is. Okay, so let me explain it again. Honesty is a great virtue. Interrogative, you have to make it interrogative. So isn't honesty a great virtue? Okay, then B, everybody likes an honest man. You have to make it negative. Then there is nobody but likes an honest man. You know there is a structure. If there is everybody, there is no ... but you have to use. Okay, no other virtue is as great as honesty. Affirmative. So honesty is the greatest virtue. Okay, we should always be honest. Imperative. Then you have to use let us, as it is we should, let us always be honest. Okay, an honest man is very happy. Exclamatory. So how happy an honest man is. Okay, I think all of you understood this one. Now we will go next exercise, exercise 4. Okay, okay students, then number 4, Anger is nothing but a vice. Everyone look at the board. Anger is nothing but a vice. Interrogative you have to make. Okay. You know the auxiliary verb, as you when you want to make it interrogative, auxiliary verbs you have to place first. Is. Okay. And this one is negative form. That's, and instead of nothing you have to use anything. Is anger anything but a vice? Okay. Write down. Another one, is anger anything but a vice? Okay. Is anger anything but a vice? Okay. You have to this one. Okay. As it is question mark, then you have to use question mark here, as it is the interrogative sentence. Okay. It begets only the worst. Negative. You have to make it negative. Then you have to think only. You know that in case of thing you have to use nothing but instead of only. Okay. So write down, it begets nothing but the worst. It begets nothing but the worst. Write down everyone. It begets nothing but the worst. Okay. It begets nothing but the worst. Then C. So it should be controlled for our own sake. You have to make it active. Okay. So look, there is no subject here. It should be controlled. It should be controlled. No agent here. Who should control? It is not written here. That is why you have to take a subject according to the context. So it should be controlled for our own sake. We have to add, we should control it for our own sake. That means we have to take the subject we. Write down. So you have to write down. So we should. We, then should you have to take. We should, then verb. After after should you have to use the basic form. Okay. We should control. We should control. Okay. It. This it you have to use it for our the rest part. Okay. For our own sake. For our own sake. Okay. So we should control it for our own sake. Then D. An angry man causes a lot of troubles. Passive you have to make. Find out this one. Object. A lot of troubles. This one is object, isn't it? A lot of troubles. So write down a lot of troubles. A lot of troubles. Okay. Causes, this is present indefinite tense. That is why you have to use whether am, is or are. But as it is the plural form, you have to use are. A lot of troubles are. Then this cause. Past participle of cause is cost. C-A-U-S-E-D. Cost. Okay. Then the subject you have to take by an angry man. You have to take a by an angry man. Okay. A lot of troubles are caused by an angry man. Then E. We should be emotionally balanced. You have to make it imperative. Okay. So you know that if there is we should, you have to use let us. If there is I should, let me. If there is they should, let them. So as it is we should, let us. Let us, then the rest part. Be emotionally balanced. Let us be emotionally balanced. Okay. Let us be emotionally balanced. Okay, let me explain it again from the beginning. Anger is nothing but a vice. Interrogative. Then is anger anything? Nothing instead of nothing. You are using anything. Is anger anything but a vice? Okay. Then B. It begets only the worst. So as there is only, you know the structure. If it is only, if it means person, in that case you have to none but you have to use. If it is thing, you have to use nothing but, and if it is number, you have to use not more than or not less than. Okay, as the worst indicates thing, that is why using it begets nothing but the worst. Number C, so it should be controlled for our own sake. So there is no subject or agent here. Okay, that is how you have to take the subject. So we should, we have taken the subject we should control it for our own sake. Okay. An angry man causes a lot of troubles. Passive you have to. So object you have to find out first, a lot of troubles, then are, then verb past participle caused by an angry man. We should be emotionally balanced, imperative. Okay. So as it is we should and you have to make it imperative, then in that case you have to write down let us be emotionally balanced. Okay, I think all of you understood this one. Next we will go exercise 5. Okay students, look at the board. Computer is very useful in our daily life. You have to make it exclamatory. So look, as you have to make it exclamatory, there is no a or an. That is why you have to start with how. Okay, write down how useful computer is in our daily life. How useful computer is in our daily life. Okay, then give exclamation mark. Okay, how useful computer is in our daily life. Every student needs computer. You have to make it negative. So you know this, there is no, you have to use, there is no dot dot but, this structure you have to, there is no student, write down, there is no student, then you have to use but. Okay, but then the rest part, there is no student but needs computer, write down, needs computer. Okay, there is no student but needs computer. What is service it renders? You have to make it assertive. So take subject here, then verb, then it renders, then you have to take adjective, it renders a great service. Great you have to take. Okay, it renders a great service. It renders a great service. Okay, it renders a great service. Then D, it was not invented overnight. As there is no subject, you have to take a subject. It was not. So you have to take the subject according to the context. So scientist is the best. Scientist didn't invent it overnight. Scientist. Okay. Scientist didn't, as it's the past form, as was not it, didn't invent, then it, this it, invent it overnight. Okay, then E, a poor student cannot buy it. You have to make it interrogative. Okay, so as it is the negative form, cannot, so you should not use not here, just auxiliary verb take, this modal verb take, can, then subject, can a poor student buy it, then question mark. Okay, can a poor student buy it? Okay, so look, let me explain it again. A computer is very useful in our daily life, exclamatory. So how useful computer is in our daily life? Every student needs computer. So there is no student but needs computer. What a service it renders. So it renders a great service. It was not invented overnight. You have to make it active. Okay. Scientists didn't invent it overnight because there is no subject. That is, you have taken subject, scientist. Okay. A poor student cannot buy it. You have to make it interrogative. Can a poor student buy it? Okay. Student, I think all of you understood this one. If you practice, then you can know more. The more you practice, the more you will be expert in transformation. Okay. I hope all of you practice this one. So, and I have taken already, I discussed 5 exercises. I think all of you understood well. So, let me take a feedback. Okay, and now who can tell this one? A book is our best friend. You have to make it negative. Who can tell? You. Okay, thank you. So, the answer will be no other friend is as good as a book. Okay. Then the second one, who can tell? You. Okay. It delights us. Interrogative. Isn't it? So, what will be the answer? Doesn't it delight us? Okay. Then C. It is also not costly. Affirmative you have to make. Who can make? You. Okay. Good. It is also not costly. That means answer will be it is also cheap. Okay. Then D. Who does not like a book? Who will give the answer? Okay. Then who does not like a book? Answer will be everybody likes a book. Okay. The last one. Who can give the answer? Every student should read many good books. You have to make it passive. Anybody? Okay, good. Then what will be the answer? At first you have to take the object, isn't it? There are many good books should be read by every student. Okay, good students. Now I understood that all of you have learned well. So you will practice at home what I taught you, that you will practice this one and then you will be expert, inshallah. Okay. Now write down homework. So everyone write down in your diary. So homework, transformations. You will practice this one. Exercise 21 to 30 from Navadip book. Okay. Thank you.